Welcome back to our journey through the world of artificial intelligence.
In our previous video, we explored the emergence of AI. Today, we dive deeper into the core of modern AI, deep learning.
Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, has revolutionized how we approach complex problems. But what exactly is deep learning, and why is it so powerful?
The concept of neural networks dates back to the 1940s.
However, it wasn't until the late 20th century that advancements in computational power and data availability propelled deep learning into the spotlight. Pioneers like Geoffrey Hinton and Yann LeCun have been instrumental in developing foundational algorithms. Techniques like backpropagation and innovation such as convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, have unlocked new potentials. Deep learning shines in tasks like image and speech recognition. CNNs, for example, excel at analyzing visual data, making them essential in technologies like autonomous vehicles and medical imaging. In autonomous systems, deep learning algorithms enable machines to perceive their environment and make decisions in real time. This is transforming industries from transportation to logistics. Leading experts continue to push the boundaries of deep learning. Their work not only advances technology but also addresses critical challenges like bias and transparency. With great power comes great responsibility. Deep learning raises important ethical questions. Addressing issues of bias, transparency, and accountability is crucial to ensure equitable benefits. The future of deep learning is both exciting and uncertain. From enhancing healthcare to solving climate challenges, its potential is vast. Collaboration and ethical considerations will be key to unlocking its full potential. Deep learning is not just about technology, it's about enhancing human capabilities and creating a better future. Join us as we continue to explore and shape the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence.
Thank you for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and deep learning.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we explore how AI is revolutionizing healthcare.
See you next time.